Hello everyone, thank you for having me. I would like to introduce myself and my name is Cindy Novitasari. You guys can call me Cindy or Novita, it's okay. And then I was born in Jakarta, 5th of November 1992, but I'm 28 years old right now. And I live in Depok. And currently, I'm studying at Mercubuana University, majoring in accounting. Start from in this year. Why accounting? Yes, because I like to count, kayak menghitung gitu. Terus, and then I love to do some exercises, yoga and jogging, but especially yoga because yoga can calm my mind and make my body feel fresher. And I finish, guys. That's all about me, guys. Thank you for watching my video, and see you guys.